misconception about meditation that you have to learn how to quiet your mind. That's false. Meditation isn't about stopping your thoughts. It's learning how to not react to them. I'm going to break down these misconceptions about meditation when someone decides that they want to learn how to meditate. Now, the first misconception is, I have to learn how to not think. And that's literally impossible, because meditation is just like your heart. Your heart beats involuntary, and your thoughts also are involuntary. You can't control your thoughts, but you can control how you're going to react to them. So for example, I'm making this live at a park, and you could hear the stream, you can see the sprinkler. There's background noise, there's a family, there's people going about their business. But I'm here present, and I'm here grounded, doing this live for you to show you, despite any type of white noise, or if you want to call it chaos within your world, you can learn how to stay grounded and anchor into your present self. And the misconception about meditation is really that you gotta empty all your thoughts. And I want you to know, when you decide that you want to learn how to meditate, the first thing that's gonna happen is you're gonna think more. You're gonna be bombarded with more thoughts, especially if this is a new habit that you wanna implement in your life. Because we live in a distracted world. Everyone is trying to grab your attention, and we are attention deficit. But meditation will teach you how to stay grounded with your attention, because you will learn how to channel your energy. And when you start learning the practice of meditation, you start to gain authentic power. You're now able to sift through the noise and then decide, I'm placing my awareness and my attention on this. So there's a lot of reasons why someone won't meditate. And I'm gonna give you one reason or one excuse that is common with my clients, and also with people that come to me and like, I just try to meditate, I can't stay still. One, you never gave yourself permission to pause. The first step to learn how to meditate is to pause. So you're running around, you have your to-do list, you have to take care of your family, your personal errands, you got to take care of yourself, go get your hair cut, all that jazz. And meditation is in the back of your mind. It's the filter. I need to quiet down. I need to stop. I need to stop and smell the roses. Like you've heard it all. And here's what happened. Very simple. Pause. So for example, right now you're at this live, or maybe you're watching the replay, and I want you to take this moment now to pause. And when you pause, the next thing that happens is now you listen. And then your listening gets heightened. And when your listening gets heightened, so does your awareness of self, awareness of body, but your awareness of your environment. Despite what's happening, despite someone having an argument next to you, despite someone over here riding their bicycle, it doesn't really matter. Because I'm here, present, live, grounded. And that's the benefit, one of many benefits of meditating. The first thing you want to do when you want to start a meditation practice, even before you take a pause, is you set an intention. And when you set the intention is creating new possibilities in your life. It's as simple as you take a piece of paper and you put, my intention is to meditate. You don't have to put down on a daily basis. Like, I'm breaking it very simple. My intention is to learn how to meditate. That's it. After you did that, that's part one. Second part is now taking time out of your life and allowing yourself to pause. And now the pause could be 10 seconds. The pause could be you listening to this live. And that pause, whether it's 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, those segments of you pausing is gonna build up until you can finally have a meditation practice of 10 to 20 minutes a day, where you learn to reset your mindset. The reset is resetting what happened yesterday. You see, meditation allows you to take the mental garbage that happened yesterday, the disagreements, the to-dos that didn't get accomplished, the mistakes and the blunders and the negative talk you gave to yourself, like all that is mental garbage. Chatter, chatter, chatter. I meditate, I pause, I get an opportunity to throw out the trash, throw it out. And when you throw out that trash, that's what we call reset your mindset for a new day. And when you reset your mindset, that's when you start fresh. It doesn't matter if yesterday you were angry. Today, you could be happy. It doesn't matter if you were confused and ridiculed with self-doubt and insecurity. Today, you woke up, you took a pause, you reset, and now you feel empowered. That's the beautiful part about meditation. Now, again, get it out of your head. Number one misconception, massive. Involuntary all the time. Your thoughts is the mechanism of the brain. It's thinking all the time. Meditation helps you to sift to the white noise. You see, meditation is not running away, going to the Himalayas, going to a retreat. That's not meditation. Meditation is proactive. Meditation is like, today, I'm setting the intention that I'm going to meditate for 30 seconds. And then in that 30 seconds, we pause and we chill. And those 30 seconds, the reset can be pause. When you take an extended amount of pause, life that's rushing by you pauses. Because when you pause, you step into the present moment. And in the present moment, here now, is where life moves. It doesn't move in the past. It doesn't move in the future. It moves right here in the present moment. We're grounded. We're centered. We're like, pause. And listen. You can listen to the sprinkler. You can listen to your thoughts, but not give in to them. But also, over time, you can listen to your heartbeat. And Angelique, saludo. Thank you for joining. This is the beautiful part about meditation. Meditation has transformed my life beyond description. I've been meditating for 30 years, and the extended metamorphosis, transformations, transitions, reinvention, all happen through the practice of meditation. Because meditation, when you strip it down, it means to learn how to know thyself. Learn how to know thyself. And thyself is your authentic self. So when you connect to your authentic self, there's where the power exists that you've been searching for. There's where your courage is. There's where your connection to universal intelligence, God's spirit, any denomination you follow, there's where spirit leads you. There's where you get the download. Everything becomes heightened because you're pausing. Now, I want you also to know, because you meditate, you will not be exempt from challenges, from problems. As a matter of fact, you might even get more. Your life might even start to break down. And that's a good thing, because when it does, you just go into gratitude. Because that means that you're now transitioning to your higher level of consciousness. You're elevating. You're ascending. That's what's happening. As you ascend, your ego self tries its best to hold you down. But because you're learning how to pause, because you're learning how to stay grounded in your essence, the meditation will start to provide the breadcrumbs, like Hansel and Gretel. You just follow the breadcrumbs. That's all what a meditation practice will give you. Now, I understand everyone has a busy life. There's a lot to do, right? The world is very uncertain, right? There's a lot of things happening. We're bombarded with a lot of information, and our attention is scattered. It's scattered. We have attention deficit disorder, because in social media it's like reels 3, 6, 7, you don't have anywhere to get centered and focused. But when you start to learn how to meditate, all that, right, starts to change, because you're now taking ownership of your attention. And remember, where you place your attention is where you place your energy. take your attention away and you take your energy back. In negative situations, negative people, negative circumstances, if your attention is attached to those individuals or circumstances or environment, you're now in this like tug of war, ego. But remember, it's your attention, and attached to your attention there's energy. Take your attention away, now you got your energy. And that energy is now used for a greater good, for you to tap into the best version of yourself, and then tap into that authentic self of the unapologetic, powerful human being that you are, beautiful, talented, gorgeous. That's the person. The authentic self is self-express. It's like vibrant. It's like, here I am. Let's go. Let's go. In closing, if this sparked a curiosity, or you've been thinking about, I need to learn how to meditate, I want you to drop in the comments, reset, and I will send you my simple guide on how to start a meditation practice. It's that simple. Comment, reset, you get the guide, boom, you start the practice. And that's just the first step that you need to take in order for your life to start transforming and changing into, right, your new self. Have an awesome day.